Okay, I just finished up raising the transom on the boat to lift the motor. I'm at 2 1/4 inches, but what I did here to raise it, I've got 6-inch lag bolts, 1.5 by 2 inch aluminum square tubing. I pulled up the mounting plate. This has lag bolts going through it. Same here. So I shouldn't have any issues. It's all mounted, bolted, sealed up, got a 100% silicone. So, alright, getting ready to go out and give her a shot. Thank you. Okay, I'm out here for part 2 of my transom, getting my motor mount right. Tried the other day, still a little too deep in the water, so here's what I got. There is stern of the boat, and as you can see, the cavitate is a solid 1.5 inches. It's about 8 inches back with an 1.5 inch elevation. Gonna be a hot one out today. Right now it's about 7 in the morning, I guess. 7:20 maybe. Alright. Hoping she does good. Here goes. Alright, that was a success. I got like 30 point something, but I was having a hard time with that motor in that deep. I'm not perfect, but it's doing what I thought it would. My motor, of course I should tilt it up, whatever, I know. But in order to do that, I would have to raise it higher, so now it's all the way towards the boat. And the cavitation plate, I have it where just the tail of it is catching the water, and that's why you're getting the out spray. So I am very happy getting my new 4-blade 14-inch pitch stainless steel prop. So that should be soon, I hope. All right, do one more run here. Does slip a little bit, and that's expected when you got it up higher. pretty good sized rockfish. That's a rock. I didn't know they came up. Well, I do know they catch them at Cox's Point, a park over here, but it's undersized. That's about a 17-inch rock. Pretty cool though.